Yo, what's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by. This is a short video. Today I want to do a chop. This sample is from Minnie Riperton. The song is, I think, "Take a Trip" or something like that, and it goes something like this. Hopefully, I won't get copyright strike from it. That's all I'm gonna play. And so the reason I came across this sample was there's an artist named Jean Grey, and she used this in one of her songs called "Another Day." And for the longest, I didn't know what that music was going on in the background. I didn't know if it was a band playing, if it was sampled or what. So I went to whosampled.com and looked it up and found out that the sample's from Minnie Riperton. So I didn't chop it nearly as well as it was originally chopped, but I just wanted to kind of mess with it myself and just see if I could come close to it, at least get the vibe. So these are the chops. And so I added a few little samples on I 16 leveled it, and that little sound. And so I'm gonna play it. These are the drums. All right, y'all. Peace out. See you on the next go round.